Yep. What's up, guys? I'm here with my So I'm here with my stepsister Macy, and we're gonna be playing some Arsenal.
For our first video.
Yeah, this is our first video together ever.
So let's deploy and.
I already did deploy.
Okay, right.
Good shot, mate. You've got his head.
Oh, yo, I'm like far away.
Oh, Macy, can I show you a secret spot?
Yeah.
Alright, come into like the ice spot.
So this person has no water.
Come,
Oh, she was.
Macy, come into the ice spot.
No, I keep on. Okay, yeah, let's get the secret word first place.
Yeah.
I just need to make sure.
Very good shooting.
Let's go check the secret words. So the secret word for today. One sec.
Ooh, I'm up here.
Hold up. It's not letting me in.
What?
Nope. I think they changed it. Darn it. Yeah, you can't go in anymore.
Oh. Maybe it's only certain times. Oh, wait, you're on the blue team.
Oh.
Good shot, mate. You've got his head.
No.
Oh, I just got destroyed. Okay. Oh, and Macy, now I can make better videos on my on my normal channel, because before I just had to record with my iPad, and I like rested it up against my chin, but the graphics were horrible.
Oh my gosh. I remember like that when I went to the
Yeah, I didn't.
person. Step on me. You shouldn't have to kill people when they're
What?
You shouldn't kill people when they're reloading. I just got hit with that. I placed 11.
I came.
Fancy bugs. Dance.
I came 9th.
Do beach. And then shooting is and standard. I hate like free for all in 14. It's like not fair. Like I cannot keep up with that. Okay. Now go in and tell me
And
which one
ensure
was easier
victory.
for me to play on.
I don't know. I'm on. One of my friends wants to 1v1. I'm gonna tell him that I'll 1v1 him later, and I'm gonna post that on my channel. So if you guys wanna go check my channel out, it's my Roblox username, which is this Hurricane King.
Oh, yo.
So you can then it's Hurricane King Sweaty Boy if you guys want to check out some of my other videos. So I'll try to be posting weekly on both channels, this one and my other one.
Will be linked in the description.
Yep, both of our channels will be in the description down below. So we are just gonna play off this video. Not let me now. So
Whoa! Oh, thanks for the banana. This person killed me and I slashed into a banana.
I can't hit this kid. I'm very confused.
I'm gonna check it here.
Oh, and I hope my mic volume is okay for you guys, because I didn't really test it before I recorded this video, so I hope it's fine, but if it's not, just let me know in the comments.
No, I just reloaded next time.
Very good shooting.
Hiding, right? I'm hiding. I don't think anyone can see me. It got blown into the air.
Don't die, Macy. Macy! I killed the person who killed you.
I killed him as soon as he killed me. Right, it's that man. No, I killed you and then this drone and was round and just went whack.
Good shot, mate. You got his head.
Look at how much better our what's the 7 hours. Oh, I'm gonna get hit by a train if I go on my left. Oh, what? I'll have bananas.
Oh, that's my friend.
Ooh, okay, I placed 9. It's better than my last one.
I came
But I did
third.
get 10 kills, so we're good. Ooh, yo, good. So we're gonna let's try competitive 2 kills. Every time I pick something. No! Do hillside! Do hillside! Do hillside! 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 Someone please pick hillside and then we'll win! No! Oh. Yo. Okay. Now I have 6 minutes. Ooh, this one's gonna be a lot of hard because there's lots of places where people can get. Okay, we only have like 6 minutes.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna just play on the red team. What team are you on?
I'm on blue.
Okay, I'll just play on the blue team so that you guys can help.
Very.
Oh, I just went on a rampage.
Don't mind if I sit here like vlogs, but... Yeah, I got 1 kill, wow!
Oh, and it also hurts because I'm playing with a fat lip, so freaking cut it yesterday on my tooth.
You know, I just got killed by a dumb rat. I really wish I would have been waiting. I got 2 kills.
Mm.
Really get smashed.
Okay, that one dude is so good at the game. Literally.
No.
Like the Freddy Layman dude is so good.
No. Some of the people that have killed me. Yo, I just got a good shot.
Oh, he actually just died. I didn't even see
Did you kill
him.
him? Or did I kill him?
Nah, he got sniped. Oh, I was stuck on the first weapon for. Oh wait, no, that wasn't the first weapon. I thought it was. Never mind. What?
Oh, those 3 people were cornering. Cornering?
Cornening. Yeah.
They were cornering.
My stepsis got cornening.
I just got corn.
She just got corned.
No!
Oh, I died to a dumb knife. I didn't even see him, bro.
Yo, I just killed that red clay man.
I can't go you.
Never been. I'm gonna try to.
Wow, you blew his brains out. Nice.
I jumped in the air and I got money.
Okay, yeah, let's play a different game.
What?
Alright, let's play a different game. Okay, guys, we are going to end this video here, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.